Earning free PayPal money has never been this easy when you use this secret app that I'm going to reveal to you. This secret app that I'm going to share with you in this video works worldwide and can pay you via PayPal and other payment options. A lot of guys have been cashing out using this application, and that's why I'm here to share it with you. So just pay attention and listen attentively so that you won't miss out. Just do yourself a favor by listening to this 10-minute tutorial video that I'm going to share with you and take action. It's better than wasting your time scrolling through Instagram and reading social media posts that won't put money in your pocket. So pay close attention. But before we continue, welcome to my YouTube channel, where we share with you proven and legitimate ways of making money online the easiest way. First, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be notified, and you can start making money online right away. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you have any concerns, questions, or comments about this video, go ahead and make your opinion known in the comment section below this video. Now let's continue from where we stopped. On this website, you can see that they have different payment options that you can select from. You can get paid through PayPal, Payeer, or whatever payment option you like. If you'd like to get paid through PayPal, you can select the PayPal option, and as soon as you have $5 in your account, you can withdraw your money. And if you don't like using PayPal, or if PayPal is not accepted in your country, you can use Payeer or AirTM. So before we proceed, I want to show you proof that this is a working system. And as you can see here, many people from different companies have been making money with this website, and they're being paid every minute. So this is a legit and genuine website that pays well and it works well. So pay close attention and let me show you how it works. Step number 1, before you even launch the app, kindly visit Google and search for engaging articles and blog posts that people would love. This doesn't mean you'll need a website, no social media account, and you don't even need a YouTube channel to create any video at all. You just need to visit google.com and search for articles that might interest people to read. Maybe some trending articles with genuine facts. For example, I will go ahead and search for 10 usual facts about water, which is something that people might be interested to know about. So for example, 100 amazing water facts you should know. The shooting of a movie, about a movie star, an actor, or a famous YouTuber. So once you've found such an article, just right-click on it and copy its link. When you're done with copying the article link, come over and open this app called exe.io. Now when you open exe.io, this is a platform where you can shorten, share, and earn money. You can shorten long URLs or long links, and you can share it with friends and family and other people. And whenever someone clicks on that shortened link, you will get paid. These people don't need to sign up for anything. They don't need to spend any money. They just need to click, and you will get paid. That sounds incredible! Getting someone to click on a link is a lot easier than making them sign up or buy something. You just need to follow 3 easy steps. The first step is creating an account, and I'm going to show you how to do that for free. Secondly, I'm going to explain to you exactly how to shorten your link, and the third step is where you'll earn money, and you will see how it works. The reason why this app is preferable is that they have the highest breaks, which means you will get the highest amount of money for those clicks. You will also get detailed statistics of the people clicking on your links. Besides, they also have a very good referral program so that you can share with your friends and family, and you will earn up to 50% of all their lifetime earnings, which means you can collect passive income for a lifetime just for referring someone. And if that person makes $2,000, you will make $300 easily. Now open exe.io, click on the sign up button, and create an account by using a unique username. Enter your valid email address, create your password, confirm your password, and agree to their terms of use and privacy policy, which you can read by clicking on it. After you're done with that, click on Register to create a free account on exe.io. This new account will be integrated with a dashboard like this, where you can track your views, your earnings, your referral earnings, and the average CPM, which is the cost per 1,000 clicks you get from your link. Also, note that your earnings per click might vary depending on where the click is coming from. If the click is coming from the US, UK, Canada, Australia, then you will be making more money. And if it's coming from a developing country, then your earnings will be lower. That's because whenever someone clicks on your shortened link, they will be redirected to a landing page for ads, and they will be shown ads which they can skip. And as soon as they skip those ads, they will be redirected to the link that you originally wanted them to visit. I hope you are enjoying this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's continue with the video. So exe.io is just splitting the ad revenue with you. And that's why they have this CPM. And that's why this works. And that's why they are paying you for those clicks. So if you are going to ask me if this is a genius system, yes, because the person that clicks doesn't need to spend any money at all, and they can just get those ads. It's a win-win situation for exe.io and you, meaning as you are making money, exe.io is making money as well. So once you start making money and you have enough dollars in your account, you can withdraw your earnings right here, and you can select whatever payment options you prefer. In this video, I choose PayPal. Just enter your PayPal email address and you can withdraw the funds and spend it. So when you get the interesting article link, shorten the link using exe.io and wait for people to start clicking on the shortened link so that you can get paid. It's that simple and free. Now, you won't want to miss out on any of these. Now, I'm going to show you 2 different traffic sources which you can use to get those clicks automatically for free, even if you don't have any social media followers and even if you've never earned a dime online before. The first traffic source is at Herculist.com. This is a platform that will allow you to promote any link that you want for free. This platform will give you an email list, and you can send one email with one click to thousands of different people every single day for free. And there is a high probability that a lot of them will click on your link. Remember that when someone clicks on your link, you will get paid. The second traffic source is a paid source. You can easily get clicks fast when you use it. The traffic source is at Shoutcart.com. And if you sign up for free on Shoutcart.com, you would be able to browse all the different influencers on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok, and they can promote your shortened link to hundreds of thousands of people for a low price. Let's assume I selected Instagram, and I want to advertise for just $10. I can promote my shortened links to 500,000 people. Out of 500,000 people, if I could get at least 5,000 clicks on my link, I'm going to make $10 per 1,000 clicks, and that's $50. So I have just made a $40 profit without going through stress, because all you have to do is pay $10, give them your link, and they would promote it for you. So with just $10, you can make just one shout, and you can reinvest back the money you make from more shoutouts you buy and from bigger pages. You can advertise to millions of people with Shoutcart.com, and you can get hundreds of thousands of clicks on your shortened links and get paid. Remember, whenever someone clicks on your link, you'll get paid. This is a fun way of making extra money online. So using Herculist and Shoutcart, you can easily get the traffic you need to make up to $900 or even more from the comfort of your home. Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you've learned something unique. You can re-watch the video from the beginning if you've missed some steps. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.